Welcome to the University of Iowa and the College of Education's website for social justice resources. We are delighted to be able to bring this resource to the K-12 educators from Iowa and beyond. This brief tutorial is intended to get you started on your search. Whether you are looking for something specific or only browsing, we hope you can find something that will assist you in teaching your students. This website is intended for teachers to be able to access social justice resources in order to assist them with teaching anti-bias in their classrooms throughout the school year and not just on special holidays. The toolbar at the top of the page is a great place to start. Let's take a look. The Home button will return you to the home page at any time during your search. The About button will tell you how this website originated and when it was updated. The Teacher Resources button will take you to the landing page where you can find websites, lesson plans, activities, and other resources. The Media button will take you to a list of books, movies, blogs, and podcasts featuring various issues in social justice education. The Website Survey button will take you to a link to a University of Iowa survey site. When you are finished with your search, we hope you will take approximately 3 minutes to complete the survey. Your anonymous data will be sent to the website managers so that we can continue to provide relevant content that is up to date, accurate, and helpful. The Contact button will help you reach out if you need further assistance or have an idea that you wish to share. We would love to hear from you. As you browse, we hope you will notice that there are no required registrations to access the content. Thank you for your time. We hope you will enjoy this website.